I took the walk to Poland. What's up, y'all? We gonna make pizza. Hold on, that's a terrible intro. We gonna cut that out. We gonna cut that out. All right, hug face. Gotta get the thumbnail. Gotta get the. Hold on. All right, with me. Oh, that was terrible. That's that. Okay, that's all right. Hold on. Woof. What's up? I'm back on another video. Feel me? Took a little break. No, maybe a month, 2-month break. I don't know. Just took a break. All right, so today I'll eat the Lil Yachty pizza, deep dish pizza. Hopefully it's good. $6. Hopefully it's not wasting my money. Not gonna cap to you. I'll show y'all me cooking it. Let's open it up real quick though. Pick y'all up real quick. Can I flip the camera? Pick y'all. Hold on. Show y'all me opening it. Open this up. Dang. Bro, are you fucking, bro? What type of pizza is this, bro? Like, it's all on one side, my nigga. You can't be like, all right, hold on. Don't wiggle it around. This is so key. Buns already trash. All right, let's read the directions, bro. Flip it over, back. Preheat to 400. Remove packaging. Remove pizza of the cool. All right, so we're gonna come over here. You feel me? On the quick side. We're gonna oh, you're gonna hit bake. You feel me? Put it on. What did they say? All right, we can put it on 400. Let me let that prep. I took the walk to Poland. Look, so for me, the oven finna be done preheating, so I'm gonna crack this motherfucker. I'm gonna crack this open. Let me grab this pan. Hold on. My contacts out the way real quick. All right, it's done preheating. Feel me? Dang, can y'all even see? There's a piece of, hold on. Let me grab it. Let me just put the camera on the quick side. All right, now y'all can see me open this. With one hand, a little challenge. Not gonna lie to you. There we go. Hold on, because this piece did come messed up. We gotta fix it a little bit. All right, there we go. Let's slide over it. Crack the seal. Go ahead. Slide it in there though. Now we just gotta cook for 23. I just put the pizza in the oven. We gotta cook for 23 minutes. So in the meanwhile, I'm finna go hop on 2K, and I'll see y'all when the pizza get done. I'll be back. There's 9 minutes left. We're gonna check on the pizza real quick. Check on the pizza quick. I ain't gonna hold you. That be looking fine. No cap. It's for sure looking, feel me? Hopefully it's good. I ain't gonna lie. Look good though. pizza almost done. Got like 9 minutes to go. Can't wait to eat that. That shit be good as that. Boston gas. It was good as hell. No, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. Hopefully it's just, it's better than Lil Yachty rap career. Ooh. Time to take it out. Feel me? Time to take it out. Time to take it out. Face. Oh. It's my phone finna die. I don't know if y'all see me take it out, but just took it out, man. Grab my phone quick. Okay, hold on. I ain't gonna lie to you. It look decent. We gonna see though. It don't look bad though. Looks very tasty. They said let it sit for 1-2 minutes before serving. Let it chill here. Look at it though, y'all. Let's see this one. Let me know in the comments if y'all want me to try the other ones. It's one called it's a cheese pizza, a veggie pizza, and then it's a supreme pizza. Let me know if y'all want to. Let me know if y'all want me to try them in the comments. Hopefully this is good though. Look so. Look at that. Just look at the pepperonis. Can y'all smell it? Smell with your eyes. Smell it. Smell it through the screen. Alright, it's done. I let it sit. It's time to eat it, review it. See if I really rock with it or not. So, I'm finna cut it right now, no cap. Bro, look at that pizza, bro. Use this. I don't got no, what's the name? I don't got no pizza roller thing. So, let's just hope I make it as even as possible. I'm gonna have to put the camera down though, because I ain't trying to mess it up. So, hold on. Put y'all right there. If y'all can see everything. Can y'all see the pizza? I don't know. Y'all can see it a little bit. That's alright. Really hope this is working. I don't think this cutting no cap. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Do not think this working at all. Did it even get through? Not for real, bro. Cut it, or I can get a slice. Hold on. Grab y'all. Set y'all right there, so y'all could see pizza a little more. Oh, it worked. It cut through. We grab a plate. Paper plate, that is. I'm not washing no dishes after this. Alright, I'm gonna get 2 slices just because. Dang, if I can get the second slice off the board, bro. Alright, feel me? Time to leave. Let's go. Go walk over here, you feel me? Get a little seat. Alright. Feel me? Alright, time to review. Lil Yachty's pizza. First you gotta smell it. You feel me? It smells good. Let me stop lying to y'all. It smells like regular pizza. It don't smell nothing different. It smell like DiGiorno to be exact. Pepperoni's cool. It's decent. It's not better than DiGiorno though, but it's cool pizza. Warm up, you hungry, and then else to eat in the house for real, you know. Not bad. Probably could have made it for longer. Probably could have put on like, I only did 20 minutes. Probably could do like 23 or more. So it can be crispier, but I like it. It's not bad. I remember real good pizza. That, you know, frozen pizza. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, how y'all day today? I'm eating this pizza. What y'all been up to while I was gone? For a month. Not that long though, but you know. I forgot my bev. Hold on. Come on, gotta have a bev. Don't got no chips, but it don't matter that much, really. Rate the pizza. I'm gonna rate the pizza 1 through 10. 10 meaning the best, obviously, 1 the least. I give it a 7. It's cool. If I went to a friend's house, they didn't fight cooking, they made this, I wouldn't be mad at them. And what I won't be excited neither. I'm like, oh my God, you made Lil Yachty pizza? That's like, all right, cool. It's not bad though. But this sweet tea though, 10 out of 10. That was top tier. But all right, that's the end of the video for real. I was just reviewing the pizza. Yeah, like I said, not bad, not terrible, not the best, not the worst also though. Yeah, not the greatest. But let me know if I want me to try the other ones. He got 3 more. Trying for you guys. Excuse me. Oh my God, excuse me. But other than that, video over. Don't forget to. That's it.